Have you noticed this? You build a perfect routine. Wake up at 5 a.m., 2 hours of study, no phone, gym, revision, sleep early. Day 1, you follow it. Day 2, you bend it. Day 3, you delete it like it never existed. Then you think, I'm lazy, I'm inconsistent, I'll never be like toppers. No, your student routine is a lie. Most routines you copy from YouTube or Instagram are designed for a fictional human, a robot who never feels tired, never gets bored, never wants dopamine, and definitely doesn't scroll reels at 1 a.m. In this video, you are not getting another wake up at 4 a.m., study 10 hours routine. You're going to decode how your mind actually works, and then use that to design a routine that doesn't fight you, but pulls you. Stay till the end, because the fifth way is the one that quietly destroys your guilt and boosts your studies without adding a single extra hour. Here's the real glitch. Students design routines like a school timetable, but the brain runs like YouTube. You think in blocks: 9 to 11 study, 11 to 12 break, 12 to 2 study. But your brain thinks in thumbnails: fun, boring, painful, exciting, easy, scary. So when you sit to study, the book is a gray, silent, boring thumbnail. Your phone is a bright, colorful, instant dopamine thumbnail. Guess who wins? Then there's another trap: personality mismatch. You saw some Sigma grind set guy online: cold showers, no friends, 12-hour study days. You copy that routine for 2 days. On day 3, your actual personality says, "Bro, we are not the main character of a productivity anime. Calm down." So, you create a routine that belongs to someone else. You ignore your energy levels, attention span, and environment. Then you blame your character instead of your system. And that is the lie. You don't have a discipline problem. You have a routine that doesn't respect how your mind really functions. Now, let's decode it. In the next part, there are 5 ways to build a routine that matches your brain, not your ego. The last one is the most brutal, because it exposes why you feel productive without actually learning anything. So, here are 5 ways to escape the fake routine trap and build a system that actually boosts your studies. Watch carefully and try to spot which point is exposing your current routine the most. Way 1. Routine as a game, not a jail. Your current routine is a judge. Did you follow me 100%? No? Guilty. Feel bad. Flip it. Make your routine a scoreboard, not a jail. Instead of, I will study 5 hours today, use, I will collect 5 study points today. Example: 25 minutes of focused study equals 1 point. 1 past paper equals 2 points. 10 MCQS equals 1 point. You don't fail the day if you miss 1 block. You just keep collecting points. This turns your brain's love for dopamine into your weapon. Every point feels like a tiny win. Tiny wins are addictive. Addictive, sustainable, effective. Way 2. Use dopamine. Don't fight it. Most students try to kill dopamine. No phone, no music, no fun, no life. Obviously, the brain rebels. Instead, attach dopamine after study, like a reward attached to a task. Use something like, no YouTube until I finish 2 points of study, 10 MCQs first, then 10 minutes of scrolling. You are not removing your phone. You are chaining it behind your study. Your brain starts to see study, reward, instead of study versus reward. Now, the routine doesn't feel like punishment. It feels like a trade. Way 3. Design for your worst days, not your best. Every student designs routines for their best day. If I wake up early, feel fresh, no headache, no drama, then I'll do all this. But most days are average or bad. So build a 3-level routine. Level 1, minimum survival. Example: 1 focused Pomodoro. Revise 1 chapter. Solve 5 questions. Level 2, your usual plan. Example: 3 to 4 Pomodoros, 1 new chapter, some practice. Level 3, when you're actually feeling motivated. Example, 6 plus Pomodoros, tests, extra revision. Now you don't wake up and ask, can I follow my routine or not? You ask, which level can I handle today? This keeps your consistency alive, even on trash days. Way 4. Make boring study emotionally interesting. Information is boring. Meaning is interesting. Attach meaning to your study. Link a chapter to a future version of you. Me who cracked this exam versus me who gave up here. Use mini stories. Every MCQ I solve is one enemy killed before the final boss exam. Also, change the scene, not the subject. Same topic, different place. Same chapter, but standing, walking, or using a whiteboard. Your brain loves novelty. So give novelty to your method, not your goal. Way 5. Stop fake productivity. Here's the harsh one. Fake routines focus on how busy you look. Real routines focus on how much you remember. Ask yourself at the end of the day, what can I explain without looking at the book? If the answer is nothing, that routine was just cosplay. Use a daily 10-minute self-test. Close your book. Take a blank page. Write everything you remember from one topic. Check what you missed. That 10 minutes will tell you more truth than your entire aesthetic timetable. So your student routine is not failing because you're weak. It's failing because it was built for a fantasy version of you. Turn your routine into a game, not a jail. A reward system, not a punishment. A flexible design, not a rigid timetable. A meaning machine, not just a schedule. A learning system, not a busy performance. If you want more videos where we decode your habits instead of just shouting, be productive, hit subscribe and drop a comment with which of these 5 ways exposed your current routine the most. You don't need a new personality. You just need a routine that finally tells the truth about how your mind works. If you want to make the best decision, then watch this video, where I break down exactly how your mind tricks you into bad choices. And yeah, I will meet you there in the next one.